Hi, John here. It's Tuesday, 9th of July 2013. Just an update where we are at the moment, completing the lien warrant. Taking some time, and so we've just got a couple of pages to do. Get that all finished, and then we'll go and see the police superintendent here in Auckland, and also see the Serious Fraud Office. They're waiting for the lien. Explain to them how it works, and for them to honour it as an oath to the Queen or to the King of England, at least anyway, of what Jeff Foley in Australia, making a challenge to that title.
Also, the Admiralty, the Vice Admiral, Vice Admiralty Law, or Vice Admiralty Court, that's our jurisdiction that we're expressing here in front of you, direct to the Government of England, or British Government. Westminster Parliament. That's the flag, the Confederation flag, the 1835 King William IV flag. That's the legal document for Admiral Merchant ship law that we are going to use now in our new Moai sovereign state government of the World Confederation. We'll be combining that with the Maori Confederation and Sunakora. She's just waiting for me to get our finances together, and also to do 61 Cook Street. We're going to go and see those people. I'll just make this announcement that's been going on now. It's been a letter of intent. And now we're going to enforce the warrant in front of the police. They must step aside or assist us because they're swearing to the Queen, their oath. And at the present time she's a convicted criminal, felon, through the ITTCS court. That's the World Court, and we're going through with the Confederation with a delegation of about 15 chiefs here with the Prime Minister Maori government, Sunakora. We're going to change that to Moai at the request of the Titi Marae, Taumata, and Kingi Taurua, and Papa Wuramuhehe. He's the chief there, Taumata, and his other chiefs. They are the gatekeepers of the Confederation flag contract, commercial contract of Vice Admiralty Law and Vice Admiral Courts of the Titi Marae, who I represent as the customary legal advocate, straight to Britain, Westminster, and straight to the United Nations for our seat on the UN Council, and straight into the World Court, ICJ, International Court of Justice, with our claims, complaints here about the Government of Wellington, Geoffrey Palmer and his 1986 Constitution. He's used that illegally to set up the Australian Commonwealth of Australia law, and they've registered that company, the Commonwealth of Australia private company, in the United States federal state government. So we have issues with that because they're using our 1986, Geoffrey Palmer's 1986 illegal constitution. We have our own Moai sovereign state confederation constitution, 1852, straight to King William IV, Britain. British government and also they're illegally using our 1993 Te Ture Whenua Act, Te Ture Whenua Native Land Act for Australia, selling those Aborigine lands off illegally. So we've got issues about using that. It's nowhere have they got royal assent to the government of England, the British government. There's no royal assent going to the new Commonwealth of Australia Constitution and also to their Land Act. That's illegal. Moai Crown Confederation is going to tip that over and investigate the fraud committed there in front of the Serious Fraud Office that we're going to see with this lien warrant. I'll just let you know that they fail to the obligation to the British government, who are not going to be impressed with their what they have done illegally. So we're going to challenge them, the government in Australia and the government in New Zealand, about their constitution, about their land acts, because we're the only ones that have a flag of jurisdiction under the Vice Admiralty Court laws straight from Britain. We're the only ones with a flag around the world, free passage and protectorate from the British government, legal. Not even the United States has that flag. We do. And so I have questioned to the Vatican and also to the Pope, the Black Pope, of their use of their commercial trading authority using no trading flag. They don't have a trading flag, and so they'll be usurping our 1835 King William IV flag jurisdiction. That's the point I make here, public announcement to you from Auckland, New Zealand, about who is using this Admiralty merchant commercial trading flag jurisdiction. That's the only flag in the world that's very powerful at this stage today. Now, I'll just let you know, in closing, just in touch with this is for people who are looking at me and my profile on Facebook with the Moai statue. That's the standing in the Queen Elizabeth II Great Court in London. That is our mana whenua, that is our brand name, that is our patent rights, and that is our authority as superior. Law, L-O-R-E, law of God, spirit. Combine that with the flag, the 1835 Declaration of Independence flag. That gives us our own sovereignty and our own right to travel the world on any piece of land using this vice-royal monarchy Admiralty court law. Okay, so just make that certain to you, that we are pretty serious with anybody who is usurping that flag without authority of our Moai Hapu sovereignty state confederation at Te Chi Marae in Waitangi, Islands, Paihia, New Zealand. Okay, so that's to the chiefs up there, that we have that authority to express our own tēnā rangateratanga and our own tikanga law of custom, native custom, Her Majesty, or His Majesty, sorry, the King of England. Okay, thank you very much. I just want to let those people hear my wife's voice in Africa, where the sun rises at 6 a.m. It'll be 6 p.m. here in Mount Hikarangi on the east coast, and it's 12 midnight on East Island, Rapa Nui. and the constellation stars. So these are some of the other spiritual elements to our Moai statue in London that gives us the spirit, direct, straight to God in heaven. No priests, no bishops, none of that. We don't need second man or third party. We go straight to God, and we've got a king on one side, and we've got our monarch, Tahitian monarch, up at Titi Marae, Waitangi, on the other side. So I'll let you hear this voice of my wife, Linda.
Hello.
In Africa. Ghana.
Hello, honey. Hi, how are you? Yes, good.
So she's just waiting until we get things going.
Are you
Here in New Zealand, just about ready to go there and organise our connection to the black African male bloodlines, the pyramid, the obelisk, sun god Ra, and our connections here at Mount Hikurangi on the east coast, Tahitian connections to Rapa Nui, and Moai statues over there. So the statue is very important. Link our histories. That's why the Queen Victoria, after she's the niece of King William IV, went and took our Moai off East Island and took it to London for a reason. So we're going to link ourselves to it and to Africa. It's 6 a.m. on Mount Hikurangi, and it's 6 p.m. right on the dot where Linda is talking from, Accra, the Phoenix Hotel on the beach, and Rapa Nui midday. Okay, so just to let you know the 3 points of our spiritual connection with Africa, ancient Africa, in Ghana, Kingdom, where we're going to have a look her night and search that out, and straight to Mount Hikurangi and to Rapa Nui. So that's my wife, Linda. So I'll just give you to those people listening, Dana Kozovic in Serbia, and our little chief, Jamie, and so she's can hear her voice. So that's all I want to say. So I just try and finish the documents today for the lien warrant, so we can get on with it. So yes.
All right, darling.
So that's it. At the end of that.
Okay, darling? Yep. Nothing else? All right.
So she's
Have a nice evening, darling, and I'll catch you later.
she's at exactly 10:35 now on the 9th of July 2013, Tuesday, here in Auckland, New Zealand, and there she was in Africa. So the times are 12 hours exactly on the spot behind us, and in London it's the same time as here, 12 hours behind us. Thank you very much. Bye for now. Have a nice day.